What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on NEGG stock. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will show you some fundamental news that might drive and that drives the price of this stock. And we will continue with the technical analysis and with the probable outcome of this price. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in a limited time promo offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open your account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. And let's start with the chart analysis. As you can see, we have this massive spike in price during last week, and from the bottom to the top, it has more than 700% of surge. And this is mind-blowing 8x movement. And we are hovering right around $62 mark. And many of you might think that this movement will continue, but I have some doubts, and I will show you in my technical analysis why I have these doubts. So let's start with the fundamentals of this company. We are on their official website, and right here on their section about you can read this. Founded in 2001, Newegg began selling PC components and helped popularize the PC building movement, and in doing so developed a cult following among PC and DIY enthusiasts. Since then, Newegg Incorporated is the leading tech-focused e-retailer in North America, with a global reach in Europe, South America, Asia Pacific and the Middle East. Today, millions of customers turn to Newegg to shop for the latest PC components, consumer electronics, smart home and gaming products. Newegg is consistently ranked as one of the best online shopping destinations, and the company regularly earns industry-leading customer service ratings. Newegg is headquartered in City of Industry, California, with North American distribution facilities located throughout the United States and Canada. And let me show you this news. It was published on May 19th, 2021, and it says Newegg Commerce Incorporated, formerly Lian Luo Smart Limited, announced consummation of merger and disposition. So, as you can see, it was a merger with Lian Luo Smart Limited, and for now this merger is closed, and they started to trade on Nasdaq on May the 20th, 2021. And that's why we don't have latest data on Seeking Alpha. As you can see on company profile of NEGG company, it has an old profile of Lian Luo Smart Limited. And that's why we don't have their latest financial data, and that's why it's very difficult to make some conclusions about this company. So let's continue with their latest news, and right here on their website you can find the recent news was published on July the 7th, and it's titled Newegg offers on-demand assembly of custom PCs. And basically it is nothing new with this business model, and in my opinion it cannot be the major catalyst for the price for more than 8x. And let me show you this. On July the 6th, we have this article on Seeking Alpha, and it's titled Newegg stock soars as sold-out NVIDIA GPUs appear in product lottery. And let me quote you these bullets. Newegg shares are soaring today after the company's Shuffle popular product drawing event had 4 models of NVIDIA's hard-to-get GeForce RTX GPUs available. The models available in the lottery included RTX 3060, RTX 3070, RTX 3070 Ti and RTX 3090. Lottery winners still have to pay for the product, but Newegg's prices were far closer to the manufacturer's suggested retail price than elsewhere on the internet, where demand has pushed the GPUs into price gouging territory. The downside is that some of Newegg Shuffle GPUs only come in bundles with other products. NVIDIA GPUs have experienced shortages due to the pandemic-driven boom in gaming and the resurgence in cryptocurrency mining. And in my opinion, this is the real reason why we have so many attention to the NEGG ticker symbol. And let me show you one more article. We are on Investor Place. and this article was published just 10 hours ago and is titled NEGG Stock, the latest headlines that have grabbed Newegg investors' attention. And right here you can read that the main catalyst for the attention of new potential investors and of new potential customers of this company was their lottery of PC components. And on top of that, they mentioned about their latest service that will allow new customers to build their custom PCs and have the delivery of this PC with a very short period of time. And I think this news was just the first catalyst for the price of the stock, and the main catalyst is right here. We are on kivircon.com, and this website allows you to track the mentions of different tickers on different platforms, social media platforms. And right here we can see the ticker NEGG, and he skyrocketed during last several hours. And on 7-day period, you can see that this green line represents the NEGG ticker, and it is skyrocketed during last day. So right here you can see the puts and call mentions ratio, and it has 80 comments about puts options and 56 comments about calls options. Right here we also have the NEGG ticker among the leaders of mentions, and it has 1033 mentions, and the change is 830%. And I think that's why we have this massive spike in price, and that's why I think we might lose the momentum in any given moment. So let's continue with the short interest of this company, and according to fintel.io, it has the short volume ratio of around 31.37%. And we don't have latest data about short shares availability or about short borrow fee rate. And basically this is all that we can find on this website. And because of this extremely high short volume ratio, we have to be extremely cautious, because the volatility with these numbers will be much higher than the ordinary volatility. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, in my opinion, we just formed two waves, two impulsive waves. This is the first one, second retracement. This entire wave is the third one, and for now we are seeking the bottom of the retracement of the fourth wave. And it might be much lower than this level, and I will show you in a minute why. And then we will have one more leg to the upside, or we will have a failed wave, and that's why I don't know where to place the top of our fifth wave. That's why let's put it right here. So let's continue with the indicators. And what do we have on a 4-hour time frame? We are on extremely overbought territory with RSI. But we don't have bearish divergence right here. We are still bullish. We have higher highs on RSI with higher highs on the price action. On a 3 hours time frame, we have absolutely the same picture. And 2 hours time frame represents new pattern, and this is the double top. And this is the beginning of bearish divergence, I have to say. Nevertheless, this pattern still considering as neutral, because we might have one more leg to the upside with the RSI, and this will drive the price of the stock even higher. But on 1 hour time frame, let me show you, we have a bearish divergence, and let me mark it for you. We have lower high on RSI with the higher high on the price action. This means from this point, from this very point, we might have a trend reversal. On top of these two major points, we have another bearish divergence right here. We have consistently lower highs on RSI with consistently higher highs on the price action. And this is also bearish divergence. So, in my opinion, we reached with this asset the very top. And I have to say that I can define this bearish divergence very well, because I did it recently with TRCH stock. I did it couple of months ago with the BNGO stock, and I did it multiple times. Multiple times. I missed only with the SPCE stock, Virgin Galactics, but right after that, next bearish divergence was identified by 100%, and we had the sell-off. And the sell-off was more than 40%. So what I suggest you to do with this asset? I suggest not to enter your position right here, because from this point we have more possibility to go lower rather than we will have one more leg to the upside. Even in this case, we won't reach the levels of 2x or 3x in the price. And that's why this is the very dark territory and you have to be extremely cautious. In my opinion, we have to wait until the retracement happens, and then with the good sentiment from the Wall Street bets and with the good fundamental news, real fundamental news that might drive the valuation of this company higher, we might have one more leg to the upside. But so far, until we won't hit the 0.618 and 0.65 level, I encourage you not to enter your position. And even in this point, we don't have much chances to go north, because it is still very risky asset, and this company is still extremely overvalued in my opinion. That's why just be patient, and the worst case scenario, if I'm completely wrong, you won't catch this trade and you won't gain some profits. But in best case scenario, if I'm right, you will save your money, and if you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, you will be able to mark the new trends, and you will be able to make massive gains with different stocks and cryptos for the long term. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!